Well, a new study shows that COVID-19 affects the mind in very significant ways. Researchers found a third of people who survived COVID developed mental health issues or brain disorders that they've never had before. And doctors say the research suggests a bigger number of people will be needing help in the future. Fox 13's Brianna Arredondo explains what providers are doing to get ready for that wave.
Some people who recover from COVID-19 may get more than just antibodies. A new study published in the Lancet Psychiatry Journal in April looked at 236,000 COVID survivors. Researchers found a third of them developed mental health or brain disorders within the 6 months after the infection. That includes anxiety, depression, or even a stroke.
While the psych burden tended to decline a little over the 6 months that they studied people, that's all they did. It was still there at the end, so it's not like it always goes away on its own. You might need help with it.
Dr. Glenn Currier heads up the psychiatry department at the University of South Florida. He tells us over video conference this study shows how COVID-19 puts you at risk.
I think there is more widespread awareness of this in the medical community, and it's up to us who work in specialty areas such as psychiatry to sort of organize care that's appropriate for folks.
Florida Behavioral Health Association President Melanie Brown-Woofter says mental health providers saw more people needing their help in the last year.
The industry and the system of care is feeling the pressure on, creating access, getting people in when they need to be seen, and then being able to provide the appropriate treatment for them.
So they're getting ready to meet even more demand.
We're a lifeline. We're here for anyone who's experiencing any kind of difficulty.
Experts say the takeaway is how important it is to talk to your doctor.
Don't minimize it. Don't be alarmist, but realize there's help to be had. And if people are struggling with any of this, they should seek out that help.
Reporting in Tampa, Brianna Arredondo, Fox 13 News.